Today is the day of bench.
Oh, you're recording.
Yeah, Gigi has to go to the bathroom, so instead he's warming up on the squat.
I'm just keeping my eye.
Oh, is it squat? Or, oh, is this bench?
It's bench.
How's your arms? Tendinitis?
I won't know until I go up and weight. I want the bench though.
Yeah.
That's what matters most, right?
We had a very, very good session here last week at Anytime Fitness.
Yeah.
And it was probably the best bench session you had of the entire year.
Well, because the entire year of 2019 is characterized by me complaining about my arms in videos.
Yeah.
Sorry. I'm sorry, guys.
Jujimufu, what are you using to warm up here?
I'm taking a band.
Okay.
And I'm doing reverse curls. Banded tricep push downs for the old elbows.
And the triceps feel good with that.
I'll just get some blood in here.
Pretty much our bench warm up is usually some banded stuff for the arms, some thoracic extensions on a foam roller.
Yeah.
And lots of bar warm ups. Ooh. Dude, damn, you better miss.
This is warming up the elbows and the arch for me. The shoulders are all right.
Interesting.
Yeah, how about your shoulders? Hey, you just said it. Actually, advantage of a competition bench, right? They're built into it or something?
Oh, they are, yeah.
Yeah, I never even thought about that. I was like, why do I need one of those? I guess that's one of the reasons.
You don't have to center.
All right. Tom Tooch is back deadlifting the other day, so that's what he's thinking about right now, if you're wondering what he's thinking about. He's thinking about how strong his taters are and how tweaked his back is.
If I had some sort of exaggerated arch,
yeah,
I think it would feel weird right now in my spine, but I feel okay. And the lower back thing, it happened on the last video on my top set. Just I felt poor and I stopped. And then that day it felt bad, and it felt a lot less bad yesterday, and now it doesn't feel bad. So we're gonna be careful. Mufu has he's a case of the
wiggles.
The wiggles.
The wiggles.
He's got a little Tourette's in his left leg.
Both legs. Oh.
That's better.
Nice. Good. How do you don't wear wrist straps again?
I just don't feel like I have any weaknesses there.
Okay. You think they help?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Good. How's it feel? Yeah, what is that?
I don't know. Far down.
Yeah.
Like literally. Okay.
Into the camera.
It's good. I switched to Olympic lifting shoes a year ago, and it ruined my arch. The reason someone told me to do that was because that's what IPF rules have. So the federation we're competing in, I was toes. I got my arch better. I feel like I'm able to actually get power, and that's actually helped my arms, man.
That's good.
Yeah, it's actually taking a lot of pressure off my arms.
This is my top set, 235 by 2.
Ooh, there we go. Up. Come on.
Butts off the mat. CPR double, so.
Yeah.
Not competition standards.
Yeah.
But
I feel like on that first rep you just went too high.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then you had to pull it back down. I think
Exactly.
it's probably, did it get in your head?
It took just a little bit of energy.
You thought about it.
I was thinking of the right position to be in, and I just didn't have it. That's okay. I still did it. Nice.
Okay. Oh, nice. Go. Well, that was a lot better. Yeah. Who knew 15 pounds made that big of a difference?
Yep. There we go. 2 more. Come on. Yep. Nice. a lifetime pause on the second.
I mean, I have the power, man. All I feel is everything, just all the things that are hurting that shouldn't. But it's okay. My goal is just to do 400 at the meet. I mean, it's not as strong as I've ever been, but that's my goal.
One thing that I've learned, for me, I never used a belt on bench. Well, I didn't use a belt on anything, but but on bench, I lightened it up on the tightness, and it helped me actually stay arched.
Nice. Come on. There we go.
Triceps.
My thoughts about this lift are that it doesn't really carry over very well to athletics. It's never really helped me with any of the other stuff I do. It's really fun, though. That's why I still do it. But I don't think if I was preparing for a powerlifting meet, I probably wouldn't be training at the bench press. I mean, you can train a squat and a deadlift outside of it. I feel like those have better carryover to
Athletics, yeah.
athletics in life and stuff. I would rather do like a military press, man. It's a little bit more of a applicable movement, I suppose. I don't know, but yeah.
Bench press is applicable if you're a big lineman pushing a man.
The pause actually makes it easier for me because this will switch around at the bottom. It's just like a little titch and release. Okay, there. Nice, good. Oh, perfect.
Good as the first rep.
Play your arms.
Juji's face, look at his face. He's distressed, guys. If we were in a submarine right now and it was losing oxygen and we had to submerge but there was no chance, that would be less stressful than this situation.
I don't know about that.
If we were on an aircraft carrier and somehow the entire upper deck was gone and the aircraft couldn't land, it'd be less stressful than this situation. Juji needs carbs.
Coming up with this crap.
Juji needs carbs.
I left my workout drink on the kitchen table, man. Let me try again.
Workout drinks getting in your head.
It just hurts a lot. It's getting worse. Just give me a second.
There you go. That's it. That's a ticket. Finish it. Nice. Now go to target. Run.
Okay.
Run, young man. Run in your belt. Go.
You got an empty Powerade? Oh, nice. Come on. Oop. Better or what? The same.
There you go. Come on. Pick it up. There you go. Perfect. Last set, suckers.
All right. Last set, finish strong. Go. There we go. Good. Yeah, one more time. Come on. Go. There we go. Ooh.
Those hurt.
Yeah, it did not look happy. All right, go. I'm just gonna be to the knees.
Oh, okay. Well, you're really low.
Can I bench like this? No? Are you sure?
Let's feed it.
That's vetoed. Are you sure? I
wonder if I can. There has to be a rule against this. Barbellatine.
Yeah, let me try without it, see if it actually feels a little safer.
It's a French Revolution.
Yeah. It's actually easier.
Nice. It looks easier. Looks healthy. Guys, don't do this without a spotter.
Yeah, you don't want to unrack that yourself.
Please don't.
You don't. Yeah. No, I like that movement. I actually think it's pretty good. But yeah, I just found out it's better without wrist wraps. Let's go do accessories, yeah?
Yeah.
We're now gonna do a healthy arm workout.
We do hammer curls?
I'm gonna do hammer curls. I already got it set it up over there, look at right there.
Okay.
My plan?
Your plan is different from the plan.
A plan.
A plan. Another plan.
I just want to do some tricep and bicep because they're my weakest body part. Well, the tricep is just for health, tricep health, and then my bicep I need to just jam this puppy out.
I'm down with you. I'm gonna do the same thing.
Yeah.
And do the exact same thing because I got the exact same problem as you right now.
Yeah. And then probably do one set, maybe like low row.
Low row, yeah.
And then one chest to finish off. Probably some cable flies because who doesn't love a good cable fly?
I do like your let's call it tradesman chic today. Your outfit. You look exactly like someone who just walked into the gym. Oh, I just need a quick workout here.
Yeah, I install HVACs.
Yeah,
you know,
you do look like
for a
it.
couple years, you know.
You look like you have a passion for HVACs.
Yeah, they're important, man. Think about it. If we didn't have air conditioning, where would we be?
That's true.
Be a lot of dead people.
As soon as you have a lull in conversation in any environment, you just start talking about HVACs instantly. Yeah. Everyone gets really excited because he's so passionate about them. It's literally the only time we do bodybuilding movements the entire prep.
Dude, I want to do like all these bodybuilding exercises now, and you know my gym is a lot of bodybuilding equipment. We use none of it.
Dude, your gym, you just fill your gym up with
now.
stuff and it's all useless.
It is, man. I just got like 3 or 4 pieces of new equipment when we moved in then.
Yeah. When we walked in here, we witnessed a man using this apparatus to do curls, and Juji liked it.
I'd never seen it before, man.
How is it?
It's great, actually.
And then you can just put it right back down. Wow.
It's just like you're so. It's the most isolated bicep curl ever.
Wow.
You don't have to. It's really nothing but arm.
That's cool.
Hey, this is the best bicep curl for a back tweak.
Like this?
Yeah, that's it, man. Don't overthink it.
That's pretty cool.
It does work, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just look at this.
All right, Juju.
Juju.
You doing back supported hammer curl? What reasoning?
I want a bicep blaster, but they don't have one here. I didn't bring mine. How much pepper you eat today? Huh?
Why are you asking?
Said you got something in your throat. It can only be pepper for sneezing.
There's a deranged man interviewing me about pepper. I'm just doing a personal shoulder girdle health.
How do they feel in oldie shoes?
There ain't nothing like a shoulder girdle in health, right?
Shoulder girdle.
Have you seen
Is it a clavicle exercise, Tom?
Have you seen Boogs lately?
I mean, I think I've seen him like a week ago. Is that lately?
Oh, he got a guitar.
Yeah, he's had a guitar.
No, he got one from Judas Priest.
What?
A Judas Priest guitar.
You got an original?
Yeah.
The original?
Original or just a special guitar from, I'm trying to think of the website.
Richie Faulkner, Epiphone V.
Richie Faulkner? We're talking current guitarist of Judas Priest?
Guess what exercise I'm doing? All right. Go ahead. It's an interactive. It's an interactive video. They have a little bit of time. I'll give you a clue. It's an Athlete X special. All right, everyone's guessed it by now. It's a Facebook.
Wow. From a low row.
Yeah.
You're so incredible, dude.
Yeah? You think so?
Yeah, I'm getting really good angles here.
All right, great.
Really good angles. Your elbows a little, your elbows are a little dry, but you guys got to watch this bench for the first time in 6 years, and it went very okay.
It was all right, yeah. We are working on rehabbing more than anything. for this lift, which is what is going to get our lift up, I think, at this meet.
Well, I'm slightly ahead of you. Hey, you know, I equaled my PR.
Yeah.
And you're slightly behind yours.
I'm way behind my PR.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm way behind.
So I'm doing okay. You know? Don't lump me into your camp, okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to
rehab camp. I'm in maintain camp.
I'm gonna rehab here for the next hour.
Just face pulls.
Just face pulls.
Sir, Mr. Anytime, why is there a man in work boots and a dirty ass white t-shirt doing face pulls on the low rope for the last 2 hours? I get up. Yeah, dude. There's somebody came in for morning cardio and then came in for afternoon workout, and you're still here doing face pulls on this? Oh, wow, dude.
Dude, if my traps don't grow an inch, or whatever body part is supposed to grow an inch, okay, I'm done.